In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kanban in Airtable. By the end, you'll have a clear, visual workflow that helps you track work from start to finish, all inside your existing base. Start by opening the Airtable base where you want to build your Kanban board. This can be any table you already use for tasks, projects, leads, or tickets. If you have multiple tables, pick the one that holds the records you want to move through a process. Next, look to the Views panel, usually on the left side of your screen, and click Create New. This is where you add alternative ways to see the same data without changing the underlying records. From the list of view types, choose Kanban. Kanban is designed for process-style work, where records move across stages. It's ideal for project status, sales pipelines, or any workflow with clear phases. Give your new Kanban view a descriptive name so teammates instantly know what it's for, then click Create. Clear naming helps keep your workspace organized, especially when you end up with multiple views for different audiences. Now, choose the Stack field. This is the field Airtable will use to create the columns on your board. Single select fields work best here. Common choices include status, stage, or priority. Whatever you pick becomes the set of columns you'll see, and each option in that field becomes a column. Your Kanban board will now appear, with each record showing as a card placed in a column. For example, you might see columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. This layout gives you an instant snapshot of where everything stands. You can drag and drop cards between columns to update their status automatically. When you move a card, Airtable changes the value of the stack field for that record. That update is reflected everywhere else in your base, including grid views and automations. To refine your board, use the built-in customization options. Apply filters to show only relevant records, like tasks assigned to you or items due this week. Use sorting to bring the most urgent or highest priority cards to the top. Hide fields on the card to reduce noise, and change the card size if you want more details at a glance or a more compact look for scanning. Finally, add new items right from the board by clicking or add record in the column where they belong. This creates a card with the correct status from the start, keeping your workflow tidy and accurate. That's it for setting up and using a Kanban board in Airtable. Thanks for watching.